How to create a link or join meeting in Google Meet. So hello guys, in this quick video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we need to open Google Meet app. You need to make sure that you have saved Google Meet app in your mobile phone. So once we click on Google Meet, after that you guys will click on new. Once you click on new, it will say create link schedule group call. So simply click on create link. After that, wait some seconds. Your link will be created. You guys can copy it and share it with someone who want to join your meet. Now we will tell you how you guys can join Google Meet meeting. So for that, we will simply click on code option with profile pic. Here I will write meeting code that will be shared from organizer. Once I paste it, after that I will click on join, and once I click on join, I will be in that meeting. Thanks for watching.